In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your Telegram downloads with a few quick steps. First, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're on mobile data and experiencing slow speeds, try switching to Wi Fi as it can often be more reliable for faster downloads. Next, open the App Store and check for any available updates for Telegram. If an update is available, install it. Make sure you're running the latest version. Now, open Telegram and go to Settings in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on Data and Storage, and then Storage Usage. Select Clear Cache, and confirm by tapping Clear Entire Cache. In my case, my cache is clear. This helps free up storage and can resolve issues that may slow down your downloads. Lastly, if you're looking for even faster download speeds, consider subscribing to Telegram Premium. Along with Speed Boost, Telegram Premium offers benefits like unlimited cloud storage, exclusive stickers, and the ability to read messages without sending a read receipt. By following these tips, you should see an improvement in your Telegram download speeds.